Unong ai ktiin ka Seng BJP uba em Kharkrang ulong ba ki Seng Riewlum ki Pyndonkam da Kiwei ki Jaitbynriew na ka banta banjob iki election. Habekran miklar pathai kubor uba Kharkrang ulong ba ka constitution jongki ka kadoshai ba ki de ki Jaitbynriew trai muluk barkumda Kiwei ki Jaitbynriew kimla banlong ki khot jong ki Seng Hindrei ha ka por election ki nehi ki Seng Riewlum ki par jingkershan Kiwei par ki Jaitbynriew da ka Pyndonkam yaki.
Regional party, they have got a different kind of constitution, they have got a different kind of agenda. And for them, it's only for the indigenous people. And sometimes I wonder what makes them feel that they can seek votes from other communities. When the constitution itself speaks that they are for the indigenous local people only. So during election time, you seek votes from the non-tribals, whereas the constitution does not allow non-tribal to be the member of the organization. So it contradicts a lot. So it appears that all other communities other than Khasis are being used for their political interests.